Hi guys, my name is Chris from chriskevinlee.co.uk. Today we're going to start our introduction to Linux. So this video I'm going to talk about what is Linux. So let's jump straight into it. Linux is a free and open source operating system created by a guy named Linus Torvalds back in 1991. Linux runs on many devices such as smartphones, TVs, gaming consoles, desktop computers and servers. When you run Linux on a desktop computer, you have what you call a GUI, a graphical user interface. So you get all your fancy little pictures and your mouse and your little start menu and so on. But when you run it on a server, all you get is what you call a client or command line interface. So all you get is a little blinking cursor to when you're running a Linux server. And if you don't know what you're doing, then you simply cannot use the system. Linux is much safer from malware and hackers because it runs a different file system from Windows. But even Linux can be hacked if it's not set up correctly. Many people think Linux is a type of Unix. This is not true. Linus Torvalds created Linux from scratch. Linux is also case sensitive. So if you have a folder with a capital letter, but then you try to access it with a lowercase, then it's going to fail. Linux uses the GNU or GPL license for the Linux kernel. Many people think open source is free. This is not always true. There are paid software that is open source. What open source means is that you can see the code. Linux also has different desktop environments. Some of the most common are Unity, Mate, Desktop and Cinnamon. These are very useful to customize your install of Linux and have it set up the way you want. So guys, that is the introduction to Linux. My name is Chris. I hope this helped you and thanks for watching.